What's the meaning of chili pepper? Chili pepper. Chili pepper.
Chili pepper. Chili pepper. A chili pepper is a type of spicy pepper that is commonly used in cooking to add heat and flavor to dishes. It is typically red or green in color, small in size, and contains capsaicin, a compound responsible for its spiciness. Chili peppers are used in various cuisines around the world and can be eaten fresh, cooked, or dried. They are known for their health benefits, such as reducing inflammation and boosting metabolism. Overall, chili peppers are a popular ingredient that can be added to many different types of dishes for added flavor and heat.